Remakeup Jui Kamataya Bobby Economic blockade Masak Vai Transport Minister Kushim Napoda blockade Sava legal action Kuharada Hangmatin Hera Highway leads at Kwai Shokana security Lamira Chehera Manipuli Toliru Kong na Kaitu Kai Akawi Gutingun Nagalani Sampangaira Lekiang Tor Ajit the Dankol Express Wipao, Tang Meeting Chodang in a Pami delay, Bowing Mesaina and Nangrumsa. All Manipur Tribals Development Grievances Forum Natanda State We National Highway Kanini blockade Haida Kleji, Kushokavai Transport Minister Kushimba Shumna, Kabo Sahira. Sender sanction Kasa Yari Fund State Chorgarna, Paidamamik Shokwivang Indefinite Economic Blockage Aya, Nia Sailung Aina Hapograda Forum China, Ngawag Haina. Aya Minister Kushimna Awi Office Complex Li Press Conference Li Kahang AMT DGF na Pan Ngawag Haichi Mokushok Aka Legal Action Kuihara Jihera MNREGS Fund Miran Mamirangachi Maramli Minister China Kahang Shogarna Funji Mishokwai Sakbai Sadale Kushim Nagahang Makug Jangwi Lupa Kro Shaka release Sahira Kala Ngada Lupa Kro Shaka Hangmatila release Sakwai process Sataira La Fund Kateji financial year he Mapairang Laka Mihaura Minister Kushim Kala Home Department Zangda Department Ngada Ayang Sobam Laka press conference Ji Karung Najia Kushim Bashum Nagahang Stately BJP Nagatan Shoka Krawi Ena Pan Blockade Saka Kasahi Malay Lutura La Law and Order Angredla Matasanghaira Yari Witiman Sami Kwai Shogarna Sakapai Sami Dele Ka Chuivang Richum Now Cyclally Shakakut Blockade Mangahot Ngiamana the Minister Kushimna Hangsangan Lakavak State we hak makeup kaji tourism panit Sangai Festival Saurada Kale Atamli Blockade Kasahi Mapaturada Minister Nahanga Sangai Festival le Ayarwi Miping Foreigner la Umzangrada Jihan Haugada Hokamaha Ningai Kama Sakuivaya da Panichuivang Paning Mida Blockade Ngota Kale Pingchina Kalan Kwai Minister Nagabosaya Kayari na Maring Kapa Ningamukung Kale Wivang Karjan Sakwai Jan Ngazekvai Kamong Shomishon de Leda Ngatek Ngrok Leila Jan Ngazek Aina Jamna Kwira Yarili Shegud Apong Aina Masamrada Minister Kushim Bashumna Hangsangan Blockage Kushokvai Border College Mangana Sangmiaka National Highway Kanijili Kung Kava Mashekut Kwai Shogarna Security Ran Mirada Transport Minister Kushimna Hangaira Toliru Kong na Kaitu Kai Pui Perinau We Angun Nagalani Sampangaira Ajawan Tarik Magadamati Tang Toliru Kong Li Kaitu Kai RK Ramrela We Kati Angun Aya Nagaland Akekwo Kuwi Kongli Sangapangna Ajagajang Tongyang Sitrang Kung Ainang Soda Singrot Mershun Hauda Kong Murda Kalong Atamli Tarik Magadamati Tang Zin Pui We Perinau RK Ramrela Aina RS Ngamrela Lui Aina Shim Han Kungli Toliru Kong Makan Kwai Kasali Kaitu Kaina Toliru Che Chalau Kong Nganailina Toliru Makan Kwai Tongnau Akala Malay Plung Manachia Ngamrela We Gatingun Ajawan Tarik Magadashini Tang New the Somwe Magom Luipam Ngalemli Sampanga Tarik Magada Pangatang we ena State Disaster Response Force Ling Soda Ramnau La Ringanai Kung we Miping Zangda Mishakni Gadana Search Operation Sara Shumkaina Aya Ajontang National Aina State Disaster Response Force na Agash Kong Aina Tangda Pawalaga Masampang Mada Force Ji Hankawai Hanghairagasana Aya RK Ramrilawi Katingun Akekwo Ramnauping na Sampangda Pau Miraragasana Chia National Aina State Disaster Response Force na Pakva Agash Kongwi Ena Katingun Sangapangpam Akekbo Kongji kilometer Hangmati da Truk Shiga Katana Chia Akiko hi Jasami we Aina kilometer Hang Truk Shiga Daya RK Ramrelawi Katingun Sangapang Pau Shada Angunji Jasami Shong Kuyung Kwai Ngaran Ngaye Wivang Nagaland Vak Kuyung Milu Kahang Miluda State BJP spokesperson MK Presho Shimrina CMD Ayapo Vahira Kalashadli Mirin Shiman Gahawi Kakanang Pongshokta ex MLA Preshona Mawan Sag Haya Shilila Kantalins Mihera Achiwi Ochotli Ngajon Migahai Manipu CM NTRF STRF Yukro District Administration Police Personnel Pui Ena Kongnai Ramnauping Chesami ATC aina Village Council ATC Melori aina Village Council Akiko Village Council hipingni ningshi kachungka midaleda pressona hangchipuna Achawan Tarik Tumrada Akathang Namdunglong Imphali Road Kamarat Kashokli Tangkul Katam Naulong Imphal TKL Aili Penwa Pakaji Lehawada Long China Tarkami Mishokhaira 1930 Atamli TKL Ai hi Haukupogwi ena Imphal City Alungli Chajung Adete the Chingri ena Okturum Kawaiwi Odngrut Kuirashum Daleda Hanga Long Chui Annual Sports Cum Culture Meet Kuman Lambak Stadium Li Kuikada Achahon Thang Tarik Tumrada Akathang Kupsanga Jitang Namdunglong we Road Kamarat Ochochi TKLI we program we ena Hauk Pogada Namdunglong Paina Kapen Lehawada Chitada Kapenji Mamushungmana Sorgakwina da TKLI na Kapishoka Namdunglong Rongmei Village Kaipi Kate Pumli Yari Road Kamarat Kashokchi Naga Customary Law Atishura Chingri Highway Wang the Party Kaninishi Jamna Kui Kahaina da Long China Hanga Road Kamarat Nganang Kangazaichi TKLL we Kazip we ena Haukupogna da Namdunglong P na Penwa Pakaji print la electronic media li shokta Chitada Pumhan Kangayao China TKLI we mai Chaksing Sagada Long China Hanga TKLI li Yarina Yangaka Kyagashi Chilila Sazang Saga Chikata Penba Pakaji Kalika Aina Tangda Mamia Plumrada TKLI na Hanga Kanao Kanale Namdunglong Paina TKLI La Imphali Kale Tangkul Nauping Witungli Penba Pakaji Makamashung Pau Mangayao Baparanuda Long China Hangmatinhaira Ochoche Atam Chada Police Department na Yangsang Mida TKLI na Ningshi Pongshoka Kala Police Personnel Sazagahai Chui Ningai Kamala Pongshok Ainang Soda Ochochi we Aina Police Custody Li Later Clay Kuyon Makale Ping Chili Katakwe Alungli Chuho Kwai TKLI na State Chogali Pova Haira Manipur with State Institute of Hotel Management, Catering, Technology and Applied Nutrition Manipur Li Singkum Akawi Integrated Diploma Course introduced Saira. Integrated Diploma in Aviation, Hospitality and Tourism Ji Chet Wings Li Ngshiglaga Rungmigi Gijina. Chiwe admission Hapokhaira 10+2 pass la graduate pingna Tambaya. Hangda Kale Diploma course Diploma in Cabin Crew Management Kala Diploma in Aviation, Hospitality and Tourism Management Tamira. Program partner Jet Wings Aviation, Hospitality and Tourism we Mathamakap Kaji Institute Litsanga Kala Info Valley Educational Training Research Private Limited we Unit Akangasaya Kala China Manipur we PPP Partner Sada SIHM Operate Sada Klena. Jet Wings National Skill Development Corporation we partner company Kala National Skill Qualification Framework we Skill Knowledge Providing Saya. Jet Wings Haukupog we ana average placement 97% henda Sampangaira Kala Katam now Ting Trada Panga Sugar Langdali placement Mihaira the Hanga. SIHM we 1 year integrated diploma in aviation, hospitality and tourism we Maram Kupmai Take Ngai Pingna 918811078751 la 918811078753 Maningaka 918811078754 li ngahanma paira website www.sihmmanipur.com lila bayangkui paira SIHM hi Ministry of Tourism na hapok mida Manipur Department of Tourism na yangsang mida kleina Institute chile bachelor degree phanga master degree khani diploma programs kathumda Thana Manjuri University we azingni Hotel and Hospitality Administration we course mida kleina Nongmaiching Imphal East Likale SIHM Manipur campus li international standard with state of the art infrastructure high middle asia Aruhon diploma in aviation hospitality and tourism li mingjan sak vai ngothaira course adam kachang tharada khanina da hanga SIHM we admission office kala city campus ji directorate of tourism north AOC Imphal Wesley leya Kalhang Kuire High School Kuire Yukruwe aming ngchaikwai Board of Secondary Education Manipur na Miami Hera Posem na Tami Gahai Atishura Kalhang Kuire High School Kuire Yukru da Zatkasaji Kalhang Kuire High School Yukru aina Zatawrojia Rakra Manipur International Textile Expo we Kangran Textile Commerce and Industry Minister Nemja Kipken na aya inspect Vasahira Manidex si akama aina hapokta ajuwi tarik thrada phanga aina tangda urban hat nilaguthi li rungmi gi gchina Minister Kip Kenling soda Manipur Industrial Development Corporation Chairman Kongkham Robindro Singh la inspection via Directorate of Handloom and Handicraft we Mipingli Kharjan Masada Ajukomwi Manitex Mapung Pang Sakawai Lungsando Otsaluda Nemja Kip Kenna Kasat Sanghaira Manitex Chile Stall Shaka Makadamati Shoki the Ledele Chile International Store Tra Kala State Kadewi Ena Tra Zangra Manipur International Textile Expo we Kamataya Ningrinba State Ena Ngalay Kadenala Zangda Handloom Handicraft Dyeing and Printing Powerloom, garment, embroidery, color, costume, jitake vai kasana. Ji eneng soda local brand promote kasasada Manitex Fashion Week la romi gida ledele. Expo jile textile materials entrepreneurs potential kale pingli. Kangwik vai kala Manipur with textile industry li pai chau gji rekasang akasang kwirak vai paikar kui kasana da hanga. Ajawan dang Tripura le Congress aina BJP we mi ngamu khang shawi ena angret jakshihau Ning Karikauda CRBC Section 144 Haimihera Tripura Sepahijala District we Pisakali political clash shocked Congress aina BJP we mi Pangka Kangarok Ngalungui Tham Kangarok la Naumai Kakabla Shoka Haina Kanganang je Pilan Gashun Maramui ena Hagupok Najia Ajawandang BJP we mina Naumai Kap Shokta Chile Congress we mi Aga Jakshida Sazahawala Road Kamara Chile Party Kanini Shui Mi Sazang Rokta Pau Sampanga. Zakshik May Mushoklik Vai Angrechi Control Sakwik Vaida Pisaka Subdivisional Magistrate CRBC Section 144 we Azingni Prohibitory Order Shok Mihera. Abam Chile CRPF DSR Kala Police Forces Haidalegia. Local Pau Atishura Sepahijalawi Road Kalali Congress Party Office Solishit Haurada. Former Chief Minister Kala Congress Leader Samil Ranjan Parman Party Office Tharkat Kamira da Leksana Office Shoki Gajiwi Ringapa Kamyon Sada Tharkat Makarang Laka Congress Workers Pingna Party Pilan Penner Kangazatsai La Lakvak BJP Workers Pingla Event Akawibang Chitata Pilan Shunzat Kasanajia Party Kanini She Pilan Shungazali Akashina Pilan Penner Kuidami Kangrok Penhawa Kala Parties Kanini we Kagatom Nauping Market Area Legazip Mamanda Saklak Aina Nang Rock Laga Nauda Pangang Rock La Megasilla Shokahaina Chia Ochochi Police na Vakam Kuya Maram Makaleli Attack Sana da Kayon Pingni to Quick Vai Congress Workers na Road Blockade Salaga Demand Sahira Central Vigilant Commission with Complaint Management System Border IRPM Motina launch Sami Hera Sarapade we Kapra Angasud Ungshung Kamyon Ainang Soda India we Abam Matede Dali Vigilance Awareness Week Mayon Pokaira Central Vigilance Commission Week Vigilance Awareness Week Hagupok Program Vigyan Pawan New Delhi Kwikada PM Moti Lavazanga Vigilance Awareness Week campaign ji Matailak Aina India le corruption Shimit Kwai Ningrinji Ungshung Kwai Kasana Reader we Shogarle Yarina Mishit Sankarakala Shogarna Yarili Mishit Kasang Nangalehi Sheshisang Kahainada Mangaba Kwai Shogali Shitkasangala Shitsangbai Kalehi Kamatayanada PM Modina Hanga Union Minister of State for Personal Public Grievances and Pension Dr. Jitendra Singh Naghang Corruption Magle Society Kajihi Shogarwi Karina Kala Resangahaya Ngale Sakawai Hotkanale Corruption Simit Kwai Sada Ning Sharplungrada Jitendra Singh Nahanga Jitendra Naghang Central Vigilance Commission na Aruhonwi Technology Shijinda Corruption Mishok Kwai Sada Lekala Organization Pingnala E-Procurement E-Payment System Singkwai la Kankana Info Saikura Atumi website li Jitei Mikwai Shogarna Katongdale Yarina Information Tehran Katai Kala Kankana Info Sambangapai China Corruption Mishok Nasaki Gijina da Jitendra Nahanga Vigilance Awareness Week Hili Government Organization Stakeholders Saikura Vendors Customers Gram Panchayats Resident Welfare Association Civil Society Organization La Katam Nauping Zangdali Ngasangi Giji Atamna Atumle Kharjan Sada Corruption Free Society Ningajang Ningrin hi grassroots level aina tangda Tashungranu La in Administration System ni Kwat Kalejila Atumui ena ngana kui Atam Ngasarada Dr. Jidendrana Hanga Indian Olympic Association Executive Committee we election Sakavai Ajawi Kayon Tarik Tarathang Langjin Saira Election Sakavai Fresh Timeline Justice Retired LN Rao Committee na misang da Supreme Court na aya mayami kahaina draft amended constitution la IOA member pingni mikwai miyahaira la draft constitution sem kamiwi lupa lak maku remuneration justice Rowley miluda bench china chizumi haira IOA with draft constitution la executive committee election saki gajiwi maramli ngale hiwi karot kateina petition mamiyaranuda SC na hangaira Mizoram University lekhale IIMC Northeast Campus Aya President Draupadi Murmu na tharkat kami hera President Murmu na Northeast visit ungda Aya Mizoram bada campus chi online ranyeli tharkat ka khamina Mizoram li Indian Institute of Mass Communication je autonomous institution sara Ministry of INP wi ajingni khalena IIMC Northeast Campus chi 2011 wi ena Mizoram University na ngaran kami temporary building li leirak sana Permanent Campus 2015 we ena semnaga 2019 ni gupsangda lupa crore magada phanga changai rajia IIMC Permanent Campus chi nglei ekar chisat kada Mizoram University na khamina campus chile administrative aina academic building la hostels aina staff quarters la shemi haira IIMC Northeast Campus chile BG diploma course English journalism mida aming khalai media organization ni campus placement mi da hanga 2022 to 2023 session we ena Northeast Campus Chile BG diploma course in digital media la hapokhawra da hanga la luida ajawi khamata ya pawping Economic blockade masak vai transport minister Kashim na poda blockade sawa ka legal action khawra da hangmatin haira highway li chat kwai shokarna security la mira chaira Manipur le Toliru Kong na Kaitui Kahai Akawi Gatingun Nagaland ni Sampangaira Aju we bow healing Jangaira Bawanada Klin the Tumsai Kurali Ringpagala Kamaya Zimishong Saserana